Hey there, Kimberly here with Knit for Brains, and in this episode, I'm going to talk about the new Loops and Threads Carousel yarn. Is it a go? Is it a no? Stay tuned. Hey there, Kimberly here with Knit for Brains, and a couple weeks ago, I went to Michael's and I got all the new yarns that they were coming out with for the spring and the summer and so forth, and one of the yarns that I came out with was the Loops and Threads Carousel yarn. And I thought, all right, let's give it a try. So I brought it home. I got 2 skeins. And I thought, because I want to make like something really big. I just wanted to kind of try it out and see. What I ended up making, I absolutely love. We're going to be going on a trip. We're going to go to England and Ireland and Scotland. So even though it's in June and July, which might be warm, it may not be that warm, and we might have some cool days. So I thought, you know what? I'm going to make myself some cute little hats just in case, some little accessories if I need to, get warm all of a sudden. So I took these 2 skeins and I pulled out my Centro knitting machine. And I made this hat, and you know what? I love it. So I made this hat, and it's actually, what I really love is I just made it 2-sided. So I just made one long tube, and I used about half of a skein of each one of the colors. So I did the white on this side, and then you can flip it, and you can do the pink. And then when you do the brim, boom. Such a cool idea. Really loved it. Okay, so let's talk about the yarn. The yarn is a weight of 5. I really like it. It's 100% acrylic, but it's actually kind of soft. It's got a nice little, almost a sheen to it. But when it's double stranded like this, it's like double-sided, it's actually really nice and warm. It's got some really cute little flecks. This one here is called Pink Lemonade, and this side here is called Tickled Pink. So Pink Lemonade and Tickled Pink. It is 100% acrylic. Each skein has 150 grams or 5.3 ounces, which comes out to 213 yards or 195 meters. You can really see that it's got a nice kind of a sheen to it. There's no pilling, there's no halo, there's no fuzz going on here. Very easy, very machine washable, very user-friendly. They suggest a knitting needle of a size 9 or a crochet hook of a size 9. Now, I put this on my knitting machine. Weights of 4 or less work best on a knitting machine. So it was like right on the edge as to whether or not this was going to work. It did work, as you'll see, but it was a little on the thicker side. But I just wanted something that I could get done really fast. So this whole project, and I made a matching cowl, took me all of like hour and a half, let's say, total from start to finish. So what I totally love, this is such a great little ensemble, right? 2 hours, 2 skeins, all done. So I've got this here, and then I did it down here, and you can mix and match it. So if you want to be like, in a pink and a white mode today, you're set. And if the next day I want to be in a white and pink mode, I'm also set. I love the versatility. What I'm also going to do is I'm just going to attach a little pom-pom. I'm going to put a button in the very top of the hat, like on each side. So if I want to add the pom-pom to this side, I just button it on. And if I want to add it to the other side, then there's going to be a button and then I just button it on. I love this yarn, and it's actually really warm and cozy. So 1 skein of each made a hat and a matching little cowl. And I can flip the cowl down if I want to. I can pretty much do anything you want to do. It's nice and warm and cozy. Sits perfect on the neck. This sits really nice and squishy. And it's very, very warm. So this is the Loops and Threads Carousel Twist. It's brand new, and they got so many fun colors. This was Tickled Pink, and this was Pink Lemonade. But they also have Orange Fizz, Sailor, which is sort of like a blue and a green, Birthday Cake, which is adorable, like little speckles of all different colors, Posy, Limoncello, Tide Pool, Biscuit, Castle, which is more of a black, Jean Shorts, and Candy Floss. So whatever you want to go with, I love this. This is also a big hit for me. This is going for $7.99 currently at Michael's, but they might be having a sale. So check it out and see what you think. But this is the Loops and Threads Carousel Twist available at Michael's. And for me, it's a big yay.